Next up, we got Steven. What do we got here? 1 to 10. We'll do number 5 for select. And then 1, 2 top, 3, 4 middle, 5, 6 bottom for inscription. 1, 2 top. B-dubs, when I walked back out here, there were 7 spots in it. In the next one we just put up 5 or 10 minutes ago. Well, however long ago we put it up. There were 7 spots in. So was that 33 left? $13 select. Ho, ho, ho. But sometimes they fill up quick. I mean, they're 40 spot breaks, so obviously they don't fill super quick. But about an hour ago, we had 21 left in the other one, and it filled up and oversold. That was about an hour ago. We had 21 left or so in that other one. And then it filled right up and oversold. Oh my. Assuming it fills, yeah. B-dubs, we break it today. We just put it up because the other 2 just filled. The random hit and the random hit 9 and the serial number 4 just filled up before we put the next one up. But yeah, if it fills today, we got 3 hours. We'll break it today. Oh my word. Damn yawns are back. Back again. $13 select. Here we go, Steven. Number to 199, Bryce Butler. Mark Ingram. Number to 499, rookie relic autograph, Jordan Reed. Zach Ertz. Steve Smith. Joseph Randall. RG3. Justin Hunter. It's the blue version. 25 of 25 on the Justin. Cam Newton. Jordan Reed. Just a prism. JJ and Warren Sapp. $4.99. Kenyon Barner. Kenyon. Chance Warmack. Bob Miller. Let's see. Wes Welker. CPAT. $4.99. Corey Fuller.
George is under this Wyoming again. Do I find another one?
If you want to.
I mean, it doesn't get shipped around, right?
No. You just search his last name, find one with his real address. Matt Barkley. Arthur Brown. Oh, we'll recap this, Steven, and then everything else is hits. Corey Fuller, Kenyon Barner, Jordan Reed relic autograph, and Bryce Butler. This is box number... I Can't 88, I guess. Faded. Oh my word, I got the yawns. I think I haven't slept in weeks. Taylor Heineke, Rakeem Cato, Kalen, Nick Montana, DeAndrew White. Oh, you got a Mariota Black. DeAndrew White is number 20 of 25. Mariota inscribed Pac-12 POS. What is that? Player of the Year? POY-214 or 2014. Player of the Year. 25 of 25. Wait for it. There it goes. 25 of 25. Mariota Black inscribed. That's a nice hit. All right, Steven. We'll get this out shortly, buddy. Thanks as always.